Hey there, it's Dave with FlipperForce House Flipping and Rehab Project Management Software. We've got open the Repair Estimator here. We just pushed up some new mobile improvements that make our Repair Estimator much more mobile friendly, so you can open it up and use it on your cell phone there or your tablet device. So you can see we've got open our iPhone here, and you can see this is what it would look like if you opened it up on your iPhone. We've got it broken down by exteriors, interiors, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. You can just go in here and you can click on these categories that have a pre-built list of common repairs that you can use for estimating costs. You can see our tables. We improved the mobile responsiveness of our tables, so you can quickly just swipe to the right if you want to see more information. But basically what you do is you just input your quantities here. It'll multiply those quantities by your unit prices that you have in here, and then it'll create an overall budget that you can use to create estimates for all kinds of different work. So we've got a pre-built database in here that you can use to help you get started, but then you can customize that to quickly estimate your own project costs for your own projects that you're doing in your local area. So you can see hopefully how this could be beneficial to you on a mobile device. I'll switch it over to a tablet device here real quick. Let's change it to the iPad. You can see this is what it would look like on an iPad device. So you can see it's still mobile responsive. If we rotate it, you can see this is what it would look like when you rotate it. So it's completely mobile responsive, so no matter how you're looking at it on a tablet, on a cell phone, it will respond to whatever you're doing there to make it mobile friendly for you, so that way it's easy to use on any device, tablet device, cell phone, or desktop or laptop. So hopefully you enjoy those new improvements that we made to the Repair Estimator. Definitely will make it a lot more functional on those smaller devices. If you have any questions or anything, let us know.